What is up, everyone? Welcome back to my young channel. I am Akash, a CFP for over 12 years, and I help people with money, taxes, and financial success. In today's video, we are going to talk about those two very important hacks in the health insurance space, which I am positive you have not heard about. No, I am not talking of why you should buy health insurance and blah blah blah. You already know that. This is going to be different. This is going to be special. So hang tight till the end. Hack number one, paying less for a higher sum assured. So first things first, health insurance premiums are doubling every 5 years. Do you know why? Because of the rising costs of hospitalization, rising medical costs, and everything in between them. Because we also have birthdays every year. I'm just trying to tell you that we age every year. Guess what most of us do to keep the cost low, to keep the premiums low? We don't increase our sum assured, which is actually wrong because medical costs have increased but not our sum assured. This graph shows all of that. So guys, what's the purpose of having a medical insurance? We just don't want to pay those medical expenses from our own pocket. And by adopting this strategy of not increasing the sum assured as we age, that purpose gets defeated. A bad idea. But here's a solution. Have you heard of top-up plans or super top-up plans? These are health insurance policies that sit on top of our existing policies, offering us higher sum assured at almost half of the premiums. Yes, you heard it right, half the price. Let's look at an example. Dhanush and Aishwarya are 36 and 38 years old. Their existing health insurance plan has a sum assured of 5 lakhs. As you can see, this is what it costs. The regular family floater costs about 11,100 from National Insurance, 13,900 from HDFC, and 13,600 from Star Health. I recommended them to increase it to 10 lakhs. Normally, they would increase the sum assured of their existing plan. If they did that, this is what the premiums would look like: 16,900, 18,900, and 17,300. Now, there is another option. Let's say they chose the super top-up plan instead of increasing the sum assured from their existing policy. This is what their premiums would look like: 14,000 and 16,500 and 16,900 rupees. So what do you think? Isn't it better to opt for something which is more affordable? With the choice of a super top-up plan, health insurance plan, we can have a higher sum assured at an affordable premium. So now you may ask, okay Akash, how does this super top-up plan work? This is how it works. So this is your existing policy. A super top-up plan sits on the top of it, which means that any hospitalization up to your existing policy's sum assured is done through the existing policy, and the excess happens from the super top-up plan. For example, you have a family floater policy with 5 lakhs sum assured. Unfortunately, you had to claim 2.5 lakhs plus 1.5 lakhs, and in another instance another 2 lakhs, all in the same year. What would happen here is that 5 lakhs would be paid out from your existing policy and the remaining 1 lakh would be paid out from the super top-up policy. So friends, let's quickly summarize this hack. Number one, increase your sum assured periodically on the basis of your rising age and increasing healthcare costs. If you cannot opt for a higher sum assured, at least buy a super top-up plan with the additional sum assured that you require at affordable costs. The third is you can also buy a super top-up plan for the additional sum assured that you require, even if you have a employer-sponsored health insurance plan. So friends, give it a thought and give it a shot. Now, hack number 2, the best health insurance plan. You don't know how many times I have been asked this question about the best insurance plan, and here we go. Friends, there are absolutely no best insurance plans at all. Different products cater to different people. You have right from the basic plans to very premium plans, and that in a great way determines the premiums and the costs that we pay towards our health insurance. For a health insurance plan to work appropriately, the basic stuff that we definitely need to watch out for is pre and post hospitalization, daycare treatments either without sublimits or with acceptable sublimits, cashless facility, low deductibles or copay, no claim bonus, and decent ICU expenses. All government owned companies such as United India, National Insurance, New India Assurance provide a no frills health insurance policy which is quite much affordable. The IRDA also recently introduced Arogya Sanjeevani policy, a basic but quite comprehensive policy, and is being offered by all the insurers. And all those extra benefits in a health insurance plan cost us extra money, like for example the ambulance charges, the daily room rent allowance without any sublimits, daily cash benefit, reset or restore benefits, wellness program, Ayush care, medical evacuation, international cover, maternity benefits, and so on. Well, you need to evaluate if you need all of these many benefits. For example, if somebody is 45 years of age and they already have 2 kids, in all probabilities, they are not going to require the maternity cover. They may though require something else. Oh boy, and I almost forgot this. You should know that all of these features are always a percentage of the sum assured. So if we have a lower sum assured and a lot of features, that is still not going to work, because though these features are there, we will get paid very little money. Think about it. Well, let's summarize this second hack as well. Number 1, there is no best health insurance policy. Number 2, sum assured is more, or rather most important than any other features that you can think of. Do not compromise the sum assured for the want of more features. And here's a bonus, my friends. If we can have 3 square meals a day, we can probably buy health insurance too. If you want to protect your hard-earned money, if you want to protect your wealth, then health insurance premium is a very small price to pay for that. Believe me, people have lost all of their savings, all of their fortune on a health crisis just because they did not have a health insurance, and they keep giving themselves these reasons that they will never get ill or anything of that sort. You know, illness doesn't come knocking and asking your permission. Think about it. So what do you guys think? Is your existing sum assured enough? Have you reviewed it in the last 1 or 2 years? What do you think about the super topper plan that we spoke a couple of minutes ago? And do you have any hacks that you can share for the other viewers of this video? Why don't you comment down below? And if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Until our next video, my friends, it was a pleasure meeting you. Thank you. Tata. See you. Bye-bye.